Hey guys, my name is Ahmed. Hope you guys doing well. So I'm here to talk about a W2 engine that I created myself and just a little introduction of how it's work. So let me just start. So W2 engine is similar to Webflow, but I make it open source. I created it with a JavaScript and Laravel instead of TypeScript and Dino. Maybe in future I will make also for Dino and TypeScript because I think TypeScript is better. So let's just create an account to just tell you how it's work and you learn more about this project. So after you go to the dashboard, after you sign up, as you can see on the left side we have a menu box which is showing a project, files, and the template of the layout. So in a project, you can create as many as you want and create your own website in a project, and you can save it in a database for every project that you want to create. And here you can add the files for your website. So let's just go to the project. As you can see, it's the same view of Webflow, but I try to make sure to not get a copyright from Webflow company and change a lot of them. So vision of the W2 is the same, but the code I type it myself. I think I started this project maybe 2 or 3 months from my last video, so I quit a freelancer for a while and not working and just start to create this project, and this is my dream project, of course, that always I want to just create it. So this is a start, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Also, in any case, if you think I copy code from Webflow of the website, you can just check JavaScript and the style of the CSS, all of it. You can see it when you download this project from GitHub or Telegram. And I didn't secure this code, I just add a license for it, but just like I said, I start from the zero. So it's very important to me to get not copyright from other company. But anyway, it's really simple, just like Webflow. You have on the left side add element, navigator, pages, and others. So you can see in the right side we have a style. You go to the box that you want to add the width, for example, or you can add the overflow based on what you want to add, and other styles. In the right here, as you can see in these boxes. And as you can see, this is a red box that I just didn't finish it. It's the only thing I still didn't finish it is the transform and animation, which is I'm gonna update it when I finish it. It just previewed this application. So this video is not about how to create a website. I just want to show you this W2 project, and it's not complete project. As you can see, we still have a bug, and I didn't finish this style of it. And for example, a Laravel Engine, I just need a lot of work to do it. But in my next video, when I finish a Laravel Engine, I will show you how to create a website, even for a shop and for a backend. So yeah, for now, you can download it in a Telegram or GitHub and just run it with a Laravel and of the PHP Artisan and the Vite. So let me explain what is available and not available for now. So in the left side menu, there is a lot of things I need to create, which is I'm gonna start from a Laravel Engine. So it's important because we need a backend for a shop, for a user, and other thing. I don't know how much it will take a time for it because I am working alone. It's really shame because I don't have any team or any friend to just help me to finish this project. That's okay, just like I said, it's my dream application. So I'm gonna do my best. And after that, I'm gonna start a JavaScript engine and the 3JS, which is really important for our application. Maybe you guys want to add a JS like swiper and other cool animation of the JavaScript. Maybe you want to share a JS code and make other user use it for his own project and the website. And the 3JS is we need a 3D for make a website as best as possible. That every website we need a 3D for it. This is a main move of this W2 engine, which is I'm gonna start off it. It's just take a time for it. And in the top menu, you have a save button. You have this for a download HTML and the CSS code of the element that you created after you finish website. But for now, I'm gonna start a Laravel engine. Maybe next month, or I don't know, maybe 2 months, I will make a video that the W2 engine of the Laravel engine is released, and of course with the fixed problem and the bug of it. You can download the file again and start the project again. And last thing that I want to say, it's basically this is a free open source, guys. I don't know if I get a support from you guys for a little money and the time that I spent for this project, but if I get so much support, I will absolutely continue updating this W engine and make it a free open source, because your money is value for us and I must answer for your support, of course. But just in case if I didn't get anything, maybe I will back to freelancer, or I don't know, maybe sell this application to other company when I finish everything, just to make sure I can make my own money. But if you want to help support this application, even $1 is value for me, so I can make sure keep updated this W2 engine. And maybe if I get much support, I will create a team for finish a project very fast. I just have a lot of plan and I need to think about it. But anyway, hope you guys love this application and watching this video, and I will see you in next video or the next release, guys. Bye.